Today we have a video from CopCam Max, and the title of the video is 12,446-year-old woman gets tased after pulling knife on cops.
What begins as a routine shoplifting call. Yeah, not on this CopCam Max episode. There is absolutely nothing routine about a standoff with the Beast's wife. And little do these cops know their tasers are no match for the dark arts.
How you doing?
Great. Were you just a speedway?
What?
Were you just a speedway?
I'm wherever I want to be, and you can't touch me, so don't.
So they called and said you committed a theft offense over there?
Yes, got that to be. You can't touch me. Get out of here. You bow to the beast. Go away.
So that's the hat they said you were wearing.
This is my hat that I came with. Go watch the cameras. Go away.
Do you have your identification with you?
I don't bow to you.
Okay.
Go find the beast. You bow to the beast.
Hey,
You ain't
listen.
gonna touch me.
Listen, we can resolve this.
No, we are not. You're not allowed to touch me. You bow to the beast. You know who I am. Get the fuck away. Touch not mine anointed. Do my prophets no harm.
So I don't know who you are.
Good. I don't care.
So they've reported a
You're
theft?
not allowed to touch me. I don't care. Go find the theft then.
Well, that's why we're talking to you. They reported you committed a theft offense, so we're conducting an investigation.
Well, okay, go talk to someone else.
I'm talking to you, trying to figure out the theft. So number one, chill. Number two, I need your identification. Conduct an investigation. You're not running this.
Neither are you.
Get your identification.
Make me.
Stand up.
Please touch me. You can't.
Stand up.
No.
We're going to detain you. If you don't tell us who you are, we're going to detain you until we're done.
Touch me. Hickey back up. Yes, get that high.
1428. Start another unit.
You're not going to touch me. You'll be dead, man. You already are.
Ooh.
You bow to the beast. Yes, get that high.
You going to tell us who you are?
You are nothing.
Are you going to tell us who you are?
You are nothing.
All right, ma'am. You're going to be detained pursuant to our investigation, okay? Stand up.
Ellie Mae, you're not touching me. I don't know. No, I'm not going to be detained. You're not touching me. You're not allowed to touch me.
Stand up.
You're not allowed to touch me.
28, you copy. I need another unit. Stand up.
Can you please stand up?
1428. We need another unit. Stand up. You're being detained. Please don't listen.
When I stand up, I'm not being detained.
Please do not make this into something that it doesn't need to be. This is real simple.
Well, she already made it into something. Are you guys just gonna stand there like Beavis and Butthead, or are we gonna get her together? Like, what's going on here? How many times are you gonna ask her? Please stand up, please stand up. I'm gonna detain you. All right, well, damn, she ain't doing it. It's time for the action.
Yeah, for me.
You're making it. You are escalating it.
You have already escalated.
Stand up.
You're already done.
Stand up and put your hands behind your back. Stand up and put your hands behind your back. Stand up and put your hands behind your back.
Please stand up.
No. Not for you. I will stand up, but when I do, I'm leaving. You're not touching me. You're not allowed.
You're being
You
detained.
understand
You're not
English?
free to go.
Yes, I am. I'm free to go wherever the fuck I want. You don't even know who I am, and you can't prove I stole anything, bitch. Go get a video. Get the fuck out of my face.
Stand up.
No, I've committed no crime. I've committed no crime that you can prove. You don't even know who I am.
Well, you're going to be detained until we prove
I'm not. You're not going to touch me. You're not allowed. God, the beauty.
She's already been told stand up. All right, ma'am. One last time. You can stand up on your own accord, or we're going to pick you up.
You're not going to touch me, bitch. You're not allowed.
Stand up.
No.
Stand up, please. We don't want an issue with you. Please stand up.
You're going to have.
Okay, ma'am, this is your last time, and then after that last time, you asked her another 4 times to stand up.
Stand up, please.
You're not going to touch me, bitch. You're not allowed.
Stand up.
No.
Stand up, please. We don't want an issue with you. Please stand up.
You're going to have an issue. A real big one. Put that down.
Put that down now.
You're gonna
Oh, wait,
put
what?
that down.
Radio, she pulled a knife.
The rules have changed.
Taser, taser, taser!
That already.
Taser, taser, taser! Drop it! Hit the ground!
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Stay hands.
Drop
Get your taser out.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop
it!
Drop it! Drop the knife!
Radio, she's got a knife. 2 taser deployments.
Drop the knife!
Hey, clear the building. Get out of here. Everybody out.
She cleared it! She cleared it! Put it back in her pocket!
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground now!
Right now!
Shoot me. I'll pull me out of here.
What's out of here? What's out? People, put your guns down.
Got her hands. You got her hands.
Yeah,
Alright, got her hands. Right hand. Alright, you got him? Get your left hand out now! You have the hand, right?
I have the hand.
Alright, let's get this left hand.
I have the hand.
Get your hand out now!
Hand up!
You're under arrest!
I swear.
You're under arrest! Get your hand out!
All right. I think we've almost got it. Almost got it, boys. Almost got it. Give us your hands. Right now. Yep. Give us your hands.
There we go.
Give us your prey.
We clear? No knife?
It's in her pocket. It's in her pocket.
Both hands, right? We got both hands.
Yep,
got
we
both
got a
hands.
hand.
Right. I'm cuffs.
All right.
All right. Good work, boys. Ma'am, you're under arrest. Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, let's breathe for a second.
They got him in real.
They call me the big boss. Heck yeah, man.
Goodbye, big boss.
We're just going to hold her here. We're going to turn her. We're going to turn her over to the other units. She's going to jail. Let's get her out. Take her out.
Oh God, that's
We don't have the knife yet. We got to find it.
It's on.
Other part.
Right there.
I didn't even do anything. It's funny. Y'all don't know who I am. I didn't steal nothing. You ain't got video. You ain't got nothing. Touch not my anointed. You guys are you're down to the beast, bitch. You ain't even allowed to work here. You don't even know who I am. I didn't steal anything. Prove it. I did nothing wrong with you. None of you. You abused me and beat the fuck out of me on video. I walk around here every day. Watch the reels, motherfuckers.
Oh, hit the bait.
Oh, that's why we didn't get a good lockup.
Yeah.
We fought her for a while. It might have broke off.
For a while. You can't fucking fight for nothing.
So you have the right to remain silent. You can say
I know, you
against
don't- I
foreign
don't
law.
give a
You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be provided to you by the
What
court.
did I do?
You understand your
I
rights?
felt threatened, so I pulled a fucking knife because I didn't do nothing. You guys are threatening a woman sitting alone drinking coffee.
What's in your bra?
My fucking phone. If I had another vape. You like touching titties? You fucking freak show bitch.
You have any more knives on you?
None of your business, goddammit. Figure it out. You guys are I didn't do anything wrong. That's not my deal about the beast, bitch. I'm the beast's wife. You're You're all
Can you at least tell me who you are so I know who I'm getting F by?
Huh?
Can you tell me who you are?
Ellie Mae.
What is it?
Ellie Mae.
Ellie Mae. Ellie Mae, what's your last name? Ellie Mae Steve.
Yeah.
You live here in town?
I do. I live everywhere in this town. Yes, sir.
She needs to go to jail. I don't know how we're going to get her there.
Why am I going to jail?
For a lot of stuff. You messed up today,
You
bad.
don't even know I didn't mess up. You guys accused me of something.
Ellie, you have a date of birth?
I can't just get that out. I'm not
She's
even
speaking gibberish. She's cranking out on something.
No, I'm not. I'm speaking Latin. If you can't understand me, that's on you.
How old are you, Ellie?
I can't just get that higher. 12,446 years old.
Mrs. Beast was officially charged with aggravated menacing, theft, inducing panic, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. But just over 2 weeks later, police arrested her at the exact same speedway for stealing cigarettes, a vape cartridge, and other merchandise. Ultimately, she pleaded guilty to aggravated menacing, resisting arrest, and the second theft charge, while the remaining charges were dismissed. On paper, she was sentenced to 180 days in jail, 2 years of probation, and $910 in fines and court costs. In reality, the judge suspended the entire 180 days, made the probation non-reporting, and court records show her balance remains entirely unpaid. Her only real consequences were the 86 days she sat in county jail awaiting trial for her second arrest, and the permanent forfeiture of her pocket knife.
And are you from Ohio originally?
This is bullshit. The only reason she sat in jail is because she didn't have money for bond, waiting for her second case. After all of this, the judge sees all of this body cam footage and suspends her sentence. So she doesn't even have to serve the 180 days. Probation, non-reporting. So you don't have to go. This is fucking bullshit. I'm done with this video. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.